Now we will do the next asan, that is Halasan. For Halasan, we will lie on our back and straighten both legs. For Halasan, raise both legs at 90 degree and raise the waist a little and place both legs on the floor behind the head. We can also straighten both hands by locking them, or we can also hold the lower back. We will stay in a comfortable position for 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly raise both legs at 90 degree. Slowly place the hips on the floor and feel relaxed in Savasana position.